welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well today, and if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome to my channel. I am going to be doing a Glossybox unboxing today. This is going to be my last ever Glossybox, and I will go into details later on in the video as to why. But I'm super excited to be bringing you this. I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's get straight on with today's video. So I'm just going to open this up, because as usual it comes in your little Glossybox box. And then you've got the little classy pink box inside. It does come with some coupons. So you've got your Grays coupon. There is one for Emma, which is a mattress one. There's this little coaster you get, and then there's one for yoursanitizer.com as well. There's just a couple little coupons in there. So this is a box, and this is what it looks like, which is your classic Glossybox look that you always get. And then you've got the packaging with the cute little Glossybox sticker on. I did take the ribbon off because it was really annoying me and it wasn't wrapped properly. So to like make this easy, I'm just going to take all this out of the box. So it's like a first look. This is everything that you get inside the box. I'm just going to go through like each item individually for you now. So we'll start off with this one here. This is a brow gel. I've never actually used any sort of like brow gels before, so this is actually quite cool. I'm quite interested with this one. So this is the Sane Luxe brow gel. So I do like the packaging. I think it's very professional, and it just is really simple and it's really effective. It's got like social media on the back. It tells you all the ingredients in it. It just tells you what the product is. And then once we open it up, you've just got this little black tube with some silver writing on saying Sane Luxe brow gel. So when I open this up, it looks just like a mascara wand. So this is what the wand looks like. It's got quite a nice smell to it.
Which I know it's a weird thing to do to smell it, but it's going to be on your face, so you might as well.
I've not actually tried this product out yet, but I might have a look at it now. I actually quite like that because I think it's going to be quite, it kind of gives it a bit of volume, and it gives it quite a nice soft finish, and it'll hold your brows in place, which I think is a really good thing. I've actually wanted to get some brow gel for a while because I want to kind of expand my makeup collection, like use new products, like try new things out. So I have wanted something like this for a while, but I've just not gone to getting anything like it, and I wouldn't know where to start either. I wouldn't know kind of like what brands to use, what to try, what not to try, like what to do, what not to do. So I think it's quite good that I've got one of these that I can try out. So the next thing is something that I have been after for a while. They are reusable cotton pads, which are so good. I keep running out of cotton pads all the time, and I don't like using like the one time only and the disposable ones, because it's so bad for the environment constantly buying new ones. Like, you've got the plastic packaging and like wasting them all the time. If you can get one and like be able to clean it and reuse it, that's so much better. But I've just not been able to get my hands on any. So these ones look really good. I'm actually going to open them up and have a look at them now. I'm not going to lie, they're a lot bigger than I expected them to be. I thought they were going to be about the size of a normal cotton pad. So this is what they look like, and they're actually really big compared to what I thought they'd look like. They're also, if you can see kind of a bit more up close on the camera, they're really fluffy, which was again really surprising because I didn't expect them to be fluffy. I thought they'd just be like normal cotton pad texture. But this is pretty cool because I feel like it'll be really nice and soft on your face. So I'm definitely going to be trying these out tonight when I use them. I'm just going to look on the actual back. The by Daily Concepts, I think. They are cruelty free and vegan. I did notice that a lot of the products in this one were vegan, which could be to do with Veganuary and all that, which I do think is good, and vegan beauty products are the way to go in my opinion. I would love to just go like full vegan on beauty products, because what is the point? Like, why do we need to use things from animals to make beauty products? Like, we don't need it. So I think it's a really good way to go. It says, wipe off your makeup with ease and accessibility with our daily reusable rounds. No longer buy sets of cotton pads and bags of cotton balls to remove your makeup when the daily reusable rounds are out. These are vegan and reusable, so you don't have to worry about running out of material to take up your makeup off at the end of the day. They can use take off makeup with your favourite remover for the face and around the eyes. I just think this is so cool. It also gives you instructions, and it tells you what ingredients are. It also does give you instructions telling you how to use them, and they are machine washable, which is quite good as well. So I think this is really good. These are something I'm definitely going to be trying. I do think my only issue with them would be to remember to wash them. Like, I'd forget to wash them, and I'd come to use them the next day and I won't be able to wash them because they'd be still dirty. So that'd be my only issue with them, I think. Next thing I've got is definitely COVID related. This is hand sanitizer gel, and let's be honest, you can never get too much hand sanitizer, especially in these COVID times. You can never have too much. I think it's really handy. It's made of 75% ethanol. It's got aloe vera and vitamin vitamin E, which is really good for you, especially the aloe vera because it smells great and it's so good for your skin. It's really hydrating. I haven't tried this yet, but you know, it's your average sanitizer. I don't really feel like it's a product that could go wrong or right as a sanitizer, but you can never have too much. So the next one I've got here is the Mud Masky, which I think is similar to a product that they got in the last month one, but I may be wrong. But it says reduces dark circles, puffy eyes, fine wrinkles, dry skin and swelling. This is perfect for me because this is supposed to be for your eyes, use as an eye mask. My eyes, I get the biggest dark circles. I just don't sleep, I'm constantly busy, so this is going to be absolutely perfect for me. I've been looking for more kind of like eye creams and eye serums, so this is literally going to be perfect. This one's PETA certified, which is obviously amazing, and it's supposed to be skin loving, so I'm hoping it'll be good for sensitive skin because that's what I've got, but I will have to try it out to kind of test that theory. But I do quite like the packaging, and it really does remind me of a product that they had last month. So this is the Mud Masky product that we got last month, which is a Leave Me On Autumn Mask pH balancing one, which looks good as well, but they are very, very similar products, so people that have got both of them can feel kind of, you know, if they like the first one they might be happy they've got the other one, but people might want to like try different brands and that kind of thing, so people might be disappointed by this, but they do actually do different things that I'm quite happy with it, if I'm honest, because like there's two completely different products here. So the next one is a moisturising serum, and this actually looks really cool. It's got its own little pump on the front, and it's got a little pump protector. It's got its own little pump cap, which is so cool, and this is what it looks like. So you don't get loads in this, but it's got 12 ml in, it's fragrance free, and it says moisture boost. So I feel like this is going to be quite hydrating, so it doesn't really say a lot about it on the bottle, but I'm guessing it's kind of like a hydrating and moisturising, oh yeah, moisturising serum. This is going to be great for my face, because my face and my skin have been so dry lately, especially like my nose and like my cheeks, and then this like zone in my forehead has been so dry. So this is going to be absolutely perfect. I feel like the only reason I never get anything like this is because it always seems quite oily and they leave your hands feeling like really greasy and oily. So I'm not a massive fan, but I am really, really excited to try this out. So the final thing that I got in my Glossy box for this month was the avocado infused sheet mask. This actually looks quite cool. It's a plant-based range from Beauty Pro. It says it's enriched with nourishing avocado oil and it has superfood ingredients. It's anti-aging formula and it's biodegradable, which is obviously really good for the environment. It's water-free, you can travel with it. It's got 100% plant origin and you leave it on for 15 minutes. So this does look really good. I think kind of like, I want to go more natural with things, you know, plant-based things and less like chemically. I don't want chemicals on my skin. So I think this is really cool. The packaging is quite good. It does give me quite like natural and quite like kind of recycling and just environmentally friendly vibes. It's got quite a nice feel to it on the inside. It feels quite big. It does give you full instructions on the back how to use it and what it's got inside it and all that kind of thing. But that is it for those. I'm going to quickly go through the little leaflet and then I'm going to be telling you guys why I'm no longer subscribed to GLOSSYBOX. So this is what the leaflet looks like, and on the inside it does tell you all the different items you get. However, this month there was an item that got swapped. So the first one is the Daily Concepts, which are these pads. So it does say daily reusable rounds. These are in full size and the RRP for them is £6.80, which I think is really expensive. Reusable ones of these. Admittedly, you know, you can use them over and over again, but you only get 2 and, you know, you've got to wash them between uses, and I don't know, I feel like that is quite expensive, but that might just be me. I think I've seen some cheaper online, but you do get more in those packs. So I'm really actually quite interested to see how it works and see if they are worth the money in my opinion. The next one is the E-Cooking Deluxe Mini, which is the moisturising serum. It says perfect for all ages and it goes on about it. This is a deluxe mini version and that one is worth £22.50, but a full size one is £45. So this must be some really good serum to be worth that much money, but I'm really excited to try it. This one is also vegan, I did forget to mention, but I'm actually really, really excited to try that one out. The next one is the Sane Luxe Beauty Brow Gel. That's actually in full size, even though it's quite small, it is full size. But if you think about it, you're not going to need that much product to use for your brows anyway. The RRP for that one is £16. I love these little leaflets because they do tell you like how much it's worth and that kind of thing, so you can have a look before you end up knowing if you fall in love with the product. You can look and kind of think, right, this is how much it is, do I think that's going to be worth it? You can also actually see where you can buy the product from, so if you do like it, you can look at other products that company make and that kind of thing. So the next one says Glow On Faith full size rose gua sha. I don't know if I said that right. You're supposed to receive facial massage tools to help contour your face, neck and enhance your features. However, this did not arrive in my glossy box. This isn't the first time this has happened. Instead of receiving that, that's why we got the Mud Masky eye mask serum, but you were supposed to get these massage tools. However, they just didn't appear in the box. We didn't get told why, they just didn't. I'm guessing they ran out because too many people ordered the box or something like that. But I know quite a few people had the same error, you know, had the same problem where they didn't receive that and just got a different product instead. The next one is the Beauty Pro, which is the avocado sheet mask. The RRP for that is £4.95, which I do think is quite expensive for a mask, because a lot of the ones that I get are like £1, £2. But again, if it is a good one, then it probably will be worth it, but I don't think I'll probably buy it again with it being like a £5 for one face mask. And then the final one is the hand sanitizer, which is by Your Sanitizer. That is a full-sized one, and it says it kills at 99.999% of all hand germs, which is what we need right now. It increases the moisture in your skin by 34%, which I think is quite cool because you don't really get those kind of statistics, and a lot of hand sanitizer just dries your hands out so much. It's horrendous. But the RRP for this is £2.72. So I'm just going to go in a little bit of detail about why I'm no longer subscribed to GLOSSYBOX. There's no really major drama. It's just I tried to cancel it before my December box, even like before I knew I was getting a December box, because I signed up for the November one as like a one-time thing, and then they auto-renewed me when I actually opted out of this. They still did it anyway. So I then emailed them saying, hi, look, I don't want to be a part of this anymore, and I unsubscribed. And then I received the box in December, so I wasn't too happy, but I was like, do you know what, I'll just enjoy it, you know, it's a really pretty box, it's got some nice things in it, I'll just keep going, you know. And then I unsubscribed for the month after, and then I got an email saying your GLOSSYBOX is on its way. And I also got 2 payments got taken out of my account within 2 days, and I was like, what is going on here? So I got really annoyed by it, because like I paid when I didn't want the product. Like, I wanted to do it as a one-time try, you know, just to try it out, because I wanted to try different beauty subscriptions. Nothing against the GLOSSYBOX, I just wanted to try different ones. It's also quite expensive as well, and I bought the first one as like a cheaper one because it was like reduced, because it was my first like GLOSSYBOX I ever bought. So I bought my first one for £11 without postage, because it was free postage. And then the second one I got was also £11, and then they forgot to charge me for the postage. So in January they then took an extra £3 out of my account because they forgot to charge for postage, but they didn't even tell me this. So I got that taken out, and then they took my January box subscription out as well. So I messaged them on a live chat saying, you know, what's going on, why do you keep taking money out of my account, I'm not even subscribed to you anymore. And they explained, you know, we forgot to charge you for postage, we've just taken it out now. And I thought, it's not really fair not letting me know. Like, I want to know where my money's going and why you're taking money out of my account. In the end, I actually cancelled my direct debit to them, because they just kept they kept renewing my subscription when I'd cancelled it. And I messaged her saying, look, I've cancelled this twice now, and this is the 3rd box I've received. So I did explain all that, and it was just really frustrating, because it feels like they're just trying to get every penny out of you they can. I do like GLOSSYBOX, I think they're a good company. I just don't want to have a subscription every month. Like, I don't have the money to be paying for subscriptions every single month. Like, it's a lot of money, really. So that was my issue with it. And as well as that, you're supposed to get certain items every month, but then they'll end up running out and they'll just give you something else instead, and it's like, well, that's not the point, you know, that's not what's supposed to be in the box, that's not everyone else has got, and I just think it's a bit unfair as well. But guys, that is my GLOSSYBOX unboxing of January 2021, and my final GLOSSYBOX unboxing. Again, like I said, I don't have anything against the brand. I just, A, didn't like the way they dealt with the situation, and the person that I talked to I thought was a bit rude with me, and B, I just don't want a subscription box every single month, because it's a lot of money to be spending when I probably wouldn't have bought these products for that amount of money, just because like they're not products I'd have invested in. So I just personally, for me, I love GLOSSYBOX, I love subscription boxes, but personally for me it's just not right for me anymore. But thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really have enjoyed sitting down and chatting with you guys and showing you guys what I got, and I hope you guys enjoyed this too. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel for more content just like this, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.